Welcome to the in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So let's first launch the Google application, and after that tap here on the more icon. After that tap to the settings and then just go to the Google Assistant section. After that just switch the section to Assistant and scroll down to the Assistant devices. Tap here on tablet, and now just to turn off Google Assistant we should just turn off the switcher, and that's it. The Google Assistant is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.